if it's a tribute to black men, I don't know if it really fits the afternoon show's motif. I'm not going to typecast anyone.
Although I do like the real.
You know, it's funny because Eric is here, one of the guys that works behind the scenes at Sports Radio 610. Eric is actually the only black person Rich Lord knows.
Oh my God!
This is one half of the afternoon show.
That's horrible.
So, I mean, it's true. It might be horrible. Talk to him.
Crazy.
It's not my fault. But I'm sorry that I've been a little distracted.
What are you doing over there?
I'm trying to figure out how much money John Lopez owes me
I
because I
don't.
feel like he's going to be in a good mood after this interview.
Oh, yeah.
Listen, you have played to every piece of John's ego. You have no idea. All he does is like, because you said he seems like a man's man, all he does is he like fishes and goes outdoors and builds things.
I knew it. You can look at him.
Of course you can tell. He doesn't have a single button on his shirt button.
I like
He
it.
breathes in this studio.
His hair is smooth. I like that. Smooth hair.
That's what Nick's mom said.
Oh my God.
Oh, no, Nikki. Did you do that to your mom?
Hold on. Can I show you something?
She's a happy woman.
Hold on. Let me show you something, Ms. Love.
Okay.
This was a text received from John Lopez to me on Christmas Day. Will you read this out loud?
Oh, my God.
From the bottom up. Read that.
Merry Christmas to you, my man. Give your family my best, especially your mom.
On Christmas Day.
And by the way, that was a private message.
Keep in mind.
That was a private message. He's actually...
Right. What you don't know is my mother's a quadriplegic.
No.
Like, womp womp.
That's not true at all. So, again, I want to remind people, it's comedian Lonnie Love with us.
Yes.
2 shows tonight, 2 shows tomorrow. Anything Sunday?
No
That's
Sunday
smart, 'cause
show.
there's no
I'm
playoffs
going home.
going on, right?
Yeah, the playoffs. I gotta go see Peyton and all of them. Well, Peyton's not
See,
playing.
now she's really feeding into
yeah,
that.
yeah.
I'm a big
Also,
Peyton Manning fan.
Yeah, I love Broke Neck. I mean, I call him Broke Neck. I call him Broke Neck.
There you go.
You know,
I like it.
So, he's going to Super Bowl. I don't care what
All
anybody
right.
says.
People
There
don't
you
know
go.
the Houston Improv. It's right off the Katy Freeway at the Marquee. I tell you guys this every week, and it's true. It is the best place in Houston to spend your entertainment dollars. So much fun. The food's actually really good. The drinks are not expensive, and the comedy is outstanding. It's
Thank
2
you,
shows tonight.
guys.
What time?
2 shows, was it 8 and 10:30,
Yep.
and then Saturday is 7 and 9:30. So thank you guys
That's
so much.
perfect.
Real
Thank
quick,
you so much.
somebody just texted, I would go to your show, but my cutlass broke.
Yeah.
I love it. Thank you. That's
Are you
funny.
on Twitter?
Yes, Lonnie Love, LONILOVE, and
There it is.
Instagram, everything.
All right,
So.
super easy to find. Comedian Lonnie Love. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
All righty,
Absolutely.
take care.
And you
Go
too,
see her
Johnny.
Tonight. All right.
I'll message you.
You know what? On the other side, John's wife called.
Yeah, exactly.
You're in the loop. While you're here, let me tell you great people about Big Star Honda, guys. Best place in the state of Texas to buy a brand new or used car, truck, or SUV. Guys, you can go see them.